Before running this YouTube channel, I used to make corporate videos all the time. I was like the core of that business about 8 years ago. And what we prided ourselves on was telling authentic stories for the companies that we worked with, which were usually banks and car companies. And the hardest part about doing that was piecing together the A-roll story after we did those interviews. So today I'm gonna be testing out a software called Eddy AI. This is an AI assistant video editor that has been developed by legends in the space to help you tell better stories and piece together the A-roll of your documentaries or your corporate videos or a lot of other areas that they assist with. Now this video is sponsored by Eddy AI, but the founder of the company, who I've had extensive chats with, was very clear to me that he wanted me to be honest, show exactly how my process was, and if I actually found this tool to be valuable. Brief overview of the software. What can it do? It can help you with corporate videos. It can help you with documentary style videos. It can help you with editing podcasts, even scripted YouTube videos, scripted content. Basically, you can feed anything that you want into it with the footage that you've already shot, and it will assist on piecing together a story for you. For the purposes of this video, I think a lot of you are making money through corporate videos, so I shot my own corporate style testimonial for my contractor who just finished some renovations in my house. So let's cut to a BTS of shooting that testimonial. So what we're doing is I just finished some renovations. My friend Nick, who has this company called the ROM Project, I thought I'd make a fun little testimonial video for him. I thought I'd show you a little BTS of what it's looking like and all the lighting setups. We have this new Amaran light that I just got, I think is super sick. We have our A camera, Lumix S1 II with the 20 to 60 mil at f2.8 as the A with a polarizer on it. Then we have the iFootage slider with an 85 mil on the S9. And basically Matt is gonna be our interviewer while he interviews me on my experience with this company. And I think this is always a good way to see if this works for our workflow, because if this checks out and Eddy actually ends up being a really good thing, I could see us using this for our YouTube videos. So let's see how this goes. Let's start filming our interview. My name is Chris Howe and I am a YouTuber and photographer. Details, story, and aesthetics matter a lot to me, but I've never really liked our bathroom and I've always wanted a sauna. So that's where the ROM Project has stepped in. All right, so let's test this software out. If you guys want to test this out and follow along, I will leave a link in the description. The software is free. You can literally upload any of the footage you have right now and test it out and play with it to see if you like it. And if you like what it did, it's 15 bucks to export it to your NLE of choice. It supports a bunch of them, but I am going to be using it in Premiere Pro. So we're gonna download the program and we're gonna install the extension. Now, normally they will do the hero's journey for most of their editing, which is a pretty standard thing to follow. But in this situation, because it's a testimonial, I'm just gonna do a corporate video and input it that it's a testimonial for it to follow. Now we're gonna upload our 2 camera angles into the A-roll section, and then we're gonna select multicam. By the way, this footage is 6K OpenGate, and we have about 30 minutes of like interview questions to condense down into 4 minutes. And then now I'm also gonna upload all of the B-roll clips to get the logging done as well and test out the B-roll selection points. And it gives us 2 options right here. One, you can give it a brief. So if you've already written a script, it can literally follow that to a T to output something that looks similar to the script that you've written. But also there's this backgrounder option where you can upload the website to the company and the AI will analyze the website and help build the story based on what it can find online. So in this situation, I'm going to just type out what I want done. So whatever camera that you're using, if your NLE supports it, Eddy AI supports it as well. So at this point, let's export and let's let it do what it needs to do in the background. So I'm gonna go and play some video games and have a soda water.
1 hour later.
Yay! We are back. The water is still cold. That's how little time it took to process everything and actually have a rough cut and all of the B-roll log. So that took less than an hour to get here, just by the way. I've been excited about this. I've wanted to test out the chatbot side of this. So right now it's about a 10-minute edit and I do not want this to be a 10-minute testimonial. Like cut this down to 5 minutes. And we're gonna have it start to process here. I like these little fun notes while it's working. Very cheeky, good job, Eddy AI. So we're at the point right now where I've had to go back and forth with the chat a few times to keep cutting it down. It kind of gives you a project summary, which I like, where it's like a project manager that's updating you on the status of it. So we finally have a 5-minute project here, and I can actually go in and edit the storyline of what I'm seeing in the A-roll and even move things around. So I can highlight sections here, I can delete that part. I think I can cut this down even a little bit more. And with this, before we export, I'm going to let it do an attempt at placing the B-roll as well. So let's see what it does. Okay, at a first glance, I don't think it nailed the B-roll. There's a lot of like the before B-roll sections and after sections, and I don't think it picked the exact moments that I would have put for B-roll, but the A-roll looks really good, and I know that it's gone through and logged all of my footage, which is, again, we're seeing the early signs of placing B-roll, and I can only imagine it's going to get better. So now that I have a rough story outline, I can literally just press export to Premiere Pro. It will sync up with the extension that's in Premiere Pro, and it's going to give me access to a bunch of different sequences, the A-roll with the two cameras synced, and all of the string outs of the B-roll. This looks really great. All I need to do if I want to bring the other camera angle in is literally go in and enable it on the top there so I can pick and choose between the two camera angles. But what was extremely helpful was all of the categorization of the B-roll. It even labeled that it was a modern bathroom renovation in a really nice sauna, and it found all of the best clips in there. So when I'm going to go and add the B-roll in afterwards, I don't think it's going to be too difficult to find the ones that I really like. I can scrub through very quickly, copy and paste it over, and just place all the things that I think look best. So now I'm going to go and do my edit. I also just needed to pop in here for a second. So last week I shot a podcast and I wanted to test out the new feature that just got launched, which is called night shift mode, where you upload all of your footage overnight. You'll have an edit the next day. So I shot the podcast, uploaded everything that night. The next morning had an entire podcast synced and cut in order to actually go and start to finesse. And I also have to mention one more thing, because this is actually sick. You can now text Eddy AI. It will link to your account, and if you have footage or proxies uploaded into Google Drive or Frame.io, it can access it by just sending it and texting it the link, and it will start working on the edit. I already can imagine a world with my Lumix cameras where as I'm shooting and it's connected to Frame.io for the proxies, it will already start to go and work on the edit once I'm done the shoot, and I don't even have to do anything other than to just text Eddy to start working on it. So I haven't given that a full test yet. Maybe I'll make a short about it. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts now. I think there's a lot of people who watch this YouTube channel and also just get into this field because they just want to focus on being a DOP, a videographer, or somebody who is just shooting visuals, and they don't really want to focus on the aspect of like the storyline in terms of producing or being a director. And I think in this situation, not only would this allow you to exercise that skill set and learn it, but two, it gives you the option to be able to now offer that to clientele to be able to go and shoot more projects so that you can continue to get better at the visual aspect of it. So then this will support you in your education and support you in the ability to get more jobs. So I think there's kind of like a win-win situation there. And I also had a chance to interview the co-founder and CEO of Eddy AI, and we had the discussion where I wanted to talk to him a little bit about the idea how AI, if we're speaking transparently, could be replacing one of the core elements of building video, which is the story building aspect of it. And he shared a perspective that I really loved in this area.
First of all, I think we should take a step back and really be honest with ourselves as to like the gamut of projects in our industry. You know, there's stuff that like are art, and then there's stuff that's like that's we do to pay the bills. This industry is incredibly tough. I spent years in this industry. You do what you need to do to be able to persist and survive so we can do our dream and passion projects, right? Like that's the truth. And there are numerous jobs that we do, like in corporate, in podcasts, that are not necessarily we would frame as art. Eddy is there to liberate you from some of the tedious, the mundane, to like help you move forward so you can make more of these projects that helps you make more of the money so you can do more of the art and the passion projects you love.
Again, I'm not here to advocate that we should be using AI tools in every single situation. I think there are parts of the process, speaking candidly, that I just am not as good at and or find very like laborsome and time consuming. And for most of that, it's actually just building the A-roll string out, which is something that just takes a lot of time and energy. And especially with somebody who is diagnosed with ADHD, can be very difficult to just concentrate on those aspects of it. So I think this is great because it's giving me a cut where I know the core elements that need to be in there, whether it's through a script or just in the top of my mind when I'm editing. And now I can go right into editing the final touches. So if you guys want to learn more about Eddy AI, you can download the software for free by clicking the link in the description. Upload your footage, play with it, test it out yourself. And if you like what they have outputted for your workflow, you can literally pay $15 to bring it into your NLE of choice. And again, if you're outputting more videos, they have a couple of different options to save you money over monthly or yearly subscription plans. But if you guys like this program, you like this video, please press like. It actually makes a difference. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.